Defence Minister Rajnath Singh is headed to Ladakh on Friday, where he will interact with troops and commanders and also visit the Leh hospital to meet the injured soldiers of the bloody Galwan brawl. That's the latest that we're getting to here on India Today. Rajnath Singh heads there shortly after his return from Russia. He's likely to be accompanied by Chief of Defence Staff General Bipin Rawat as well. Let's go straight across to Abhishek Bhalla joining me live from Leh, Ladakh. Abhishek, Rajnath Singh, Defence Minister, headed to Ladakh this Friday, could be accompanied by the CDS.
Very important development, Shiv, because this is the first time that the political leadership will be visiting Ladakh since the standoff started. What I've heard from sources is that he will be landing here in Leh on Friday morning. After that, he will interact with commanders on the ground. Will also meet some troops on the ground. It's still not clear whether he will visit forward areas, but in all likelihood, he will do that if he needs to, interact with troops. The idea is to, boost the morale of the soldiers who are on the ground. And also very important, Shiv, he will visit the Leh hospital where many of those brave Indian Army soldiers who were injured in the brawl on 15th of June in Galwan Petrol Point 14 are getting treatment. They are recovering very well. He will visit them as well, get a first-hand account from them on probably what happened, and also give a pat on their back for a job well done, and also ensure that their recovery is on the right track. So important development. This comes soon after the army chief visited the forward areas of Ladakh, and of course amid the military dialogue that's been happening, the marathon meeting that happened yesterday that went on till almost midnight, continued for 12 hours. So the defense minister will get a first-hand account of the ground situation here at the line of actual control in Ladakh.
Gaurav, so Rajnath Singh headed to Ladakh, very, very important. This will be the highest level visit, reflective of the seriousness of what's happening there. Two-front war situation definitely emerging. India rushing more than 3 divisions already to Ladakh in just the last 72 hours. This is a situation that is definitely escalating, Gaurav.
The situation remains extremely grim. You're absolutely right. It's escalating. And as you very rightly pointed out, Shiv, it's escalating perhaps to a 2.5 front. So you have the Pakistan front, you have the very important China front, and plus you have the adversaries within, backed by Pakistan, Al-Badr, Lashkar-e-Taiba, Jaish-e-Mohammed, and what remains of Hizbul Mujahideen in Jammu and Kashmir. There are also reports about attempts to activate what remains of the Maoist movement in the depth areas in the heart of our country. So this is a real situation that the country is grappling with in terms of what they've wargamed for years, Shiv, 2.5 fronts simultaneously. From what sources tell India Today, Shiv, the better prepared we are, the less likelihood of the balloon going up. And that is why India's matching deployment, India's massive with its deployment, calling in for additional arms, ammunition, weapons to come in. Some of that may take time, but that will be replenishing the reserves. You have 45 days of WWR or war wastage reserves as it's called, but that is also in an intense scenario. You're not looking at an intense scenario just as yet. You're just staying prepared in every which way. And Shiv, if I may, this is the first time that India's weaponizing our economy very significantly, using our wallet power as a weapon. Look at what the road transport minister, the surface transport minister has said in terms of no contract to the Chinese. Chinese are out of telecom. Chinese will be out of various other ways. Shiv, that's a message being sent out.
Big message being sent out. Rajnath Singh headed there as well. Will be interesting to see if there is a statement that the defense minister will make ahead of his movement to Ladakh day after tomorrow. Gaurav, Abhishek, thank you very much for that.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.